Hello Kevin, thank you for reaching out to me. Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, I can. Can you?
Yes, thank you. So, can you show me your current Notion template?
Yes. Let me share my screen.
Okay, you are trying to create a Notion template for your team space.
Right. So, oops. Um, Notion, right. All right. So this, I tried to make this. I deleted two other drafts I made because I wasn't like happy. Basically, the purpose of this is to have a team that each team uh, I mean, three teams that we work together, right? So one will be for researching products and competitors. Another team will be marketing, and the other one will be website development. And this is for me and my brother. Um, yeah, maybe we'll make another team for this. We can hire someone to do this, right? So that is like the core thing that we want. So each people on each team can go to the specific section and they can work on the stuff there. Um, so this is the layout that I wanted. So what I need help is like working on the on each department. You know what I'm saying?
Okay,
So maybe this we can like transfer it to home. Yeah, basically it's like designing the home in each department, and I have some things that I can like implement on each department. For example, research. Let me show you an example right here.
okay, I have a question. Can I ask you?
Yes,
Okay, like you have three teams, so you want to create three alag pages on a Notion.
right.
Okay, and next my question is that can you explain about your working system, in which field you are working,
What do you mean?
like marketing agencies, etc.
Um,
Can you introduce yourself, like companies, introduction, etc.
yeah, we do e-commerce.
E-commerce.
But yes, what we want to do is try to delegate as much task as possible because we don't have time to do everything right now, you know. So we want to um, automate tasks, for example, researching to get new products to sell, and then we want the website development to um, make the landing page on our store. And then the marketing guy will be like working on TikTok and Facebook. And yeah, for e-commerce.
Okay, brother. At this time, I have understand your problem. So, already you have done any automation tool like Monday.com, Monday CRM, Asana, ClickUp, etc.
No,
Like you are first time try to automate your business with the help of
no,
business
no.
tool.
But no, but we want to automate the business by hiring people, and the people will do the task that normally I do, for example. You know, so for example, on research, let's say that we have a guy that research new products and competitors, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when I have product ads, and then the guy will research on internet and then we find the competitors. And for example, we can make like a table like this, and he will have a table right here, and then we say, oh, the name of this competitor is Rice, and this is the landing page. The this is a tool we use. The link, bang, and the comment. No, this competitor is this, and that, you know. Basically, what I want is like these notes, right? So when the people that work on each department, they have notes like this one to work with. You know what I'm saying? They have the pro description. They so they should have a session for the products, and the idea is to have like a lot of products, right? So they will be adding and removing products constantly. And basically they will need, so when they have a product ad, they write the description,
Yes, brother, I have understand when
the
you
competitors.
when I ask you a question about any which field. So when you told me about e-commerce, so I understand our prospect.
I'm sorry.
Like you have told me you want to set up your Notion template in e-commerce field, so I understand everything.
Mhm. Okay, okay. Perfect.
Yes.
You have experience on e-commerce?
Yes, little bit. Because
Okay.
yeah, because I am working with some companies in US base, so they are handling e-commerce. So I am handled as a virtual assistant and call center. So their businesses with automation, Monday CRM, etc. Like send automation invoice, automation when like I have created just form. So when their customer fill up the form, so their information put in the automation base, everything automation. I just uh, uh, automate base.
Mm, I
Yeah.
got it.
Yes. So, okay, brother, I understand. You send me all requirement in Google Docs, then proceed further. If you have further questions, so ask me then.
All right, all right. Yeah, I think, yeah, when writing it myself, I can like be more clear, because my mind is a mess right now when I try to like explain it like this. All right. So that sounds like a plan. I
Yes,
will do that and then send you the document.
definitely, brother. When you send me clear instructions, so I will perform a good result.
All right, perfect.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much for meeting me today so quickly, and I will send it to you, and we will start from there.
Okay, brother. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate.
Mhm. Bye.
Take care. Bye bye.